Pop-up in HMI. How we can use pop-up and what is pop-up actually? We have a feature on Siemens HMI and it means pop-up screen. Pop-up is a kind of mechanism that when you click on something, a smaller window will pop up. Okay, first of all, you have to double click on add new pop-up screen. Okay, this is the pop-up. I put a text. You can use basic object, elements, controls, all of these feature on your pop-up. And as you can see, we can change the layer size of the layout size of pop-up. For example, here I can put it on 450 and I can adjust the height, and there is option for scroll bar. If the content that you have on your pop-up it's go further from your width or height, automatically you will have a scroll bar. We don't have anything special on animation. We have just loaded and cleared for event just like as a screen, and text we don't have something important for that. Okay, I put a screen and name it pop-up, and I'm using two kind of button. When we want to show pop-up, we have to use button and event. So this is an event, click, and as you can see, you can find pop-up events on a screen, like show pop-up screen and show pop-up screen sizable. The first one is this, show pop-up screen. You choose your pop-up. This is my pop-up that we made together, and this is X and Y coordinate. It means exactly here. Okay, and when I click on this button, the pop-up show up, and when I click on that, it will disappear. It means toggle. You can for example put two buttons, one of them just for on and another one for off. And this is the animation. It means where pop-up comes. It means from button, and the speed of animation I put it on slow. The next one is exactly like the first one, but you can choose the width and height customize. Okay, so let's go and see how does it work. Okay, this is my pop-up. It comes from button slowly and on X and Y on 0. And when I click again on this, it disappears. And this one is pop-up with custom width and height. That's it, guys. I hope it would be useful for you, and please like the video. Take care.